You know how Jean-Pierre Melville always said that you should make your first film in your own blood? I always thought my first film should just be the feet walking, trudging through snow or mud or desert sands. And listening to the breathing, listening to the trudging. And I just met a guy there, in fact there he is down there. And I bet you if I shouted he wouldn't hear me. Why? Because he's got his ears plugged in. And you know, you come up here into the death zone, and it is a death zone. You need to hear and see everything. You know, you could easily slip, break your ankle, or even worse, break your neck. And they've got their ears sealed in with pop music and God knows what. To the point where I ask him something and he can't hear me. And he has to take 2 seconds to unplug his ears as if he's a robot. It's absolutely pitiful. You know that sort of behaviour is all well and good when you're down in the city or in your bedroom, but when you come up into the hills, you know, you need to respect the house, you need to respect nature. You know, all too often you hear of these accidents, and they're invariably caused by these nonsenses, by amputating your senses. I mean, what do you expect? You know, this is not a gym, nor is it a playground, even though it might appear to be. And respect this is key, and this is one of the things you learn by coming into the hills alone and unworlded, as you learn to respect nature. You learn to get down on your knees and listen.